What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Let's start. I'm going to show you how to fix 0x80131500 Microsoft Store error in Windows. Firstly, go to search bar, then type internet options. From the result, click here to open internet properties. OK. Now on this tab, click on advanced tab. Scroll down. Uncheck these options. Then click on OK. Close all the tabs and restart your system. After all, again go to search and type WS reset. Click on this and then wait for store reset. That's it, guys. Your problem will be solved. You are good to go. Thank you for watching this video.